So we're looking at example 6, which says each day in the United States, approximately 2 to the 7th times 5 to the 3rd times 7 speeding tickets are issued. If each ticket on average carries a fine of $100, how much money in fines is this every day? So first we're looking at the problem, just simplifying the number of tickets. We're given 2 to the 7th times 5 cubed times 7. So we just write that out with multiplication repeated the number of times of the exponents. So 2 7 times 5 3 times, and then that's all being multiplied by 7. So this equals 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128. And then 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. And then we're multiplying that all by 7. And you could go ahead and write out, which I will here in case you want to work it by hand. So that's going to equal 16,000 times 7. And that equals 16,000 times 7. We're just going to write out, we know the answer is going to have these 3 zeros at the bottom. Anytime you have extra zeros, you can just add those to your final solution and just look at the actual numerical values leading into the zeros. So 6 times 7 is 42. 2 down, carry your 4. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 4 is 11. And then add the 3 zeros. And then we're told that each ticket, so this is the number of tickets. And then we're told that each ticket is $100. So we want to move the decimal place over 2 places or just add zeros, 2 zeros. The total money brought in by fines every day would be $11,200,000. That's a lot of money from tickets.